Full power master Roshi or muscular master Roshi. So, gotta draw glasses in this. Don't like drawing glasses, me. No offense to the glasses out there, but you know, they're hard to draw. So, let's give this a go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause, we go too fast. Center point to my page here. His head will be just like above this, right? His bearded head. All right, so we'll just go up and put the glasses along up here. So the bit that goes along his nose, I guess, is the best place to start. Curving there. And then there's a top curve as well. Right, and then these kind of come out, curve across here. Ugh, marker wasting. No good to me. Go away. Right, so this goes. Right, and then we got like a little sort of square end section here. Do the same on the other side. And like a little square end. And we got to swing these down back into the middle. And coming around like this. Up to there. And then we'll go boom, and then like that, right? General shape for glasses, sunglasses. And then we have like they're frames, so there's like a red outline, so you just got to go kind of around the inside again, like so. Roughly sort of keeping the edge the same width. Okay. So his nose then real pointy. So we got a line sort of coming down the middle, like for the bridge of his nose, and then the nostrils come out from the side to a point. Ooh. Not that pointy, not like a witch. Around there. Just that line's a bit thick. Gotta clean it up. Okay, so maybe like a little wrinkly sort of nostril line there. And his mustache and frown. So we've got that Dragon Ball sort of frown here in the middle. There's three sort of lines like that. And then his eyebrow, his big hairy old man eyebrows. Sort of spike. Come back down to the frown there. And then this side as well. Similar sort of thing, up and down. And we kind of get thinner as we go down to there. So his mustache then comes out from the nose, basically, hairy, coming out the side, real big. How far down will we go? So we'll go there and then back up into his mouth. Okay. And if you want like textures and stuff on this hair, just to make it look a bit hairy. So his chin is just like a big hairy beard as well. Like a point. Just doing the zigzag kind of lines all around there. And we can just see like his thin sort of cheekbones coming down into his face then here. I think we should see some eyelid lines in here, but yeah, that makes sense. Right, so his mouth, so he's unusual. His lips are like just beard, so his mouth is wide open, shouting. Right, he's doing a Kamehameha. And then this is like a hairy beard line for his lip. Coming around there. And then we got like top teeth. And then bottom teeth. Molar lines just at the back of his mouth. And then the tongue. There. And like hair stuff. Some texture lines on his beard. Most of this is covered with his Kamehameha hand sort of situation as well, so can't see it all. But what we can see is the bald head. So let's see, coming out from the glasses. That way. And then the ears, big ears in Dragon Ball. Big, round, sticky out kind of ears from his jaw. And you can do ear lines inside. The easiest way is a letter J. That's the easiest way I've found. The most basic way to draw an ear. But his sort of, the red sort of part of his glasses kind of tends to like stick out here from, you know, the ear part. Kind of goes around the ears. And you can see maybe some more ear lines a little bit inside. So his head then, very big round head. There's a vein popping up on his head here, so we'll draw that. Do, 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 do. The vein sort of here, I think. And then he's got like frowning lines. Okay, so crazy muscular. But we got these Kamehameha hands sticking out here. So to get your hand position, right, we're just sort of down from his beard here. And we have this W shape bumping, right? This, which is the palm of the hand. And the other one's opposite. Okay, so that's how you know where his hands go. And then like we'll just add a neck muscle just here because I can just see it up there. Maybe in there as well. Can't see as much neck muscles there. Right, so we get the hands in and then we join everything up because everything's kind of foreshortened. So the thumb first comes across his beard. Back down this way. Right, so the thumb on the other side is opposite, right? So it's like a mirror. Thumb knuckle bumps around twice like that. Is that right? Yeah. Facing down and then knuckle. Yeah, I think so. So Then fingers sort of go around in a circular pattern all the way back to here. Right, so we can see his index finger facing us pretty straight, right? And then the finger itself just curved over itself with a fingernail just there. Then we keep going. Next finger kind of goes out a bit more. Next one. So we're going around in the circular pattern. So lots of skin lines and stuff, fingernails. Ooh. Right, and then the pinky sort of comes out here. Fingernails. And then the palm of the hand joins it there, and you got like some skin lines just on the palm of his hand. Calloused fingers from training. Okay, so the other hand is kind of pretty much like a mirror image of this. Not exactly, but pretty much. So we'll go again. Maybe these ones aren't bent over actually as much as the other side. The palm of his hand is like there. Ring finger. Curving around. Your fingers have 3 segments on them. See, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can see the fingernails on this one. And then the little finger. Kind of like that. Okay, so now we have to make this look like it's kind of joining his body, which is easier said than done because he's so muscular. So right, so lots of foreshortened arm lines. So say on this side, trapezius, big bumping shoulder. Right, and his bicep is like in here, and everything looks sort of rounder than normal because of all this foreshortening, right? Right, so like it's like you're drawing footballs or like soccer balls. I mean, for American friends over there who don't say football is a different shape. Right, and his tricep muscles stick out here. We got a forearm, comes down that way just towards his ring finger, and then there's more lines on all these, like bumping, just going up towards the shoulder that way. And then I think we can see like his ribs or something there. So this is actually pretty tricky now. Take your time. Like another neck muscle in there, I think. There. So like I think we can see some of his chest here. And then chest muscle just in there. And like ribs and stuff in there. So his other shoulder then. So crazy big. Oh man, it kind of bumps a few times for his deltoid muscles, right? And then your shoulder goes around your bicep, and then back around the other side. Normally, we gotta add veins. Like his trapezius muscle has hatching, and then his chest goes up that way. So this runs the whole way down here, but again, everything looks kind of round. So this is like his bicep, right? And you got like a big vein on the bicep then. And then the forearm just joins the thumb there. There's a vein on his forearm. A vein on his chest here. We should see another chest line, I think. Maybe going this way. So then like the bottom part of this arm like sticks out like wild crazy. Like tricep runs down then to the forearm. And like his elbow bone is barely visible. Okay. So wild. It's like the Hulk. It's crazy. So that's his arms. That's difficult now. So not gonna lie. I thought this was going to be like simpler than what it was because it's Master Roshi. But tricky enough. So then we'll add his belt, and I think we can see like his wrist in there. And then his belt hangs down this way. Another belt sort of waves off. Right, and then this goes that way, and then that goes that way. There, his legs, basically his pants, but they're kind of like bumpy, sort of, because of the folds on them. Boop. Okay. Master Roshi, full power. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.